Hello everyone, my name is Aybüke Saldır. I'm 21 years old. I'm studying civil engineering in Turkey. This is my second year in work and travel program. In 2012, I was working as a lifeguard in Richmond, Virginia. My work hours didn't work out with Green Heart events, so I could only work for 3 hours. It was a Green Heart project held at the Feed More Food Bank. The group I was in given task of separating foods in categories such as canned soup, canned fruit or liquids, etc. It was only 3 hours, but it left me wanting more. So this year I want to be more active. This year my host community is Williston, North Dakota. I searched Green Heart website for the volunteering jobs in there. One of them especially caught my eye, Williston State College Library. Books are my life and I always loved atmosphere in libraries, so I think it will be a great experience for me to working in one, not just admiring from outside. And I hope there will be other projects for me to volunteer because I want to be active and I want to participate as many as I can. Thank you for listening my summer plans. Have a nice day.